Welcome to Webstylers. How to find kth smallest and largest element. We are going to do it using JavaScript. Let's find kth largest element using JavaScript. Define a function that takes two arguments, an array and kth element. Check if k is a valid input, like if it's actually in the range of elements provided in the array. Sort array in descending order so that biggest numbers come first. We are using array slice method. We use this to create a copy of original array. This way we are not making changes to the initial set of numbers. This sort function here is given a little instruction. Sort such that b is bigger than a. Put b before a. This ensures that our numbers are sorted from largest to smallest. Once array is sorted, finding the kth largest number is a piece of cake. We simply pick the element at position k minus 1. Why k minus 1? Well, remember arrays start counting from 0. So the first element is at position 0, the second at position 1, and so on. Let's use this function. In this example, numbers in given array are 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 4. And we are curious about the second largest element in this array. The second element here is 5. And that is our answer. There are more efficient algorithms to find the kth largest element without sorting the entire array, such as the quick select algorithm, but the sorting method is simpler and often sufficient for many practical purposes. Okay, now how can we find kth smallest element in the array? To find the kth smallest element in the array, you just need to modify the sorting logic from this function. Let's copy the code, change the function name. Now just change the sorting order from descending to ascending. We can achieve this by switching the order of a and b in the comparison function of the sort method. So it becomes a minus b. Now the answer for this array is 2. This one. So this is how you can find kth smallest and largest element in array using JavaScript. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.